Hi friends, it's Deborah and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about today's video. Today I will be doing my under the kitchen sink organization. When I tell you it was time, it is absolutely time for me to organize this space. If this is your first time stopping by, I would absolutely love for you to become part of the therapeutic family. Please don't forget to press that subscribe button, and I absolutely love reading everyone's comments. All right, I would love to know if there's something in this video that you would like to implement into your own organization. All right guys, let's get started. So as embarrassing as it is, this is what under the kitchen sink looked like before. Like I stated in my last video, I think we let this go on because no one can see it. So my plan is to spend the least amount of money possible. That is why you see these containers that were previously in my pantry. I was in love with this color last year, but I still like it, but I took them out of my pantry and I'm going to use them under the sink. I think it's very important to line your area so that if something spills, your cabinets will be protected. I found this marble textured liner at the Dollar Tree. I did have to buy 2 rolls, but $2 perfect. Now I also love to use things that I already had, and this was previously down there. It is in excellent shape, so I will be reusing this. I love this elevated shelf because it gives me double the space. And like I said, this is another container that was in my pantry, and I will be using my basket that I got from Grove Collaborative. Now the first thing I do is clear out the area to make sure that everything is nice and sanitized. And when I'm sanitizing something like this, I like to use the Lysol all-purpose cleaner with a little bit of bleach. Then what I do is put down this liner. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Now it's time to place all of my containers and configure it the way I want to. I like this. I think this will work. Now it's time to organize. I had this container already, and in here I just put my dish soap, and I seriously love me some Fabuloso, and I put that behind it. In this container, I just love to keep my microfiber cloths, and I purchased this from And That for $2.99, and in there I have my disposable gloves. Now Dollar Tree now sells the very small Brillo pads, so I no longer have to cut them, and I just house them in this container. Now we use a lot of magic erasers for different things in our home. So what I do is I cut them in half because you never really use the entire one. And once you use it, it kind of looks dirty, so I just throw it away. In here I house my stainless steel wipes, which are amazing on my refrigerator. And I also have my granite wipes, which are okay. I'm looking for something a little better, but this would work for now. And I also like to use the stainless steel polish, like on my knobs on my stove with the toothbrush. It does really well. And Barkeeper's Friend is absolutely amazing for everything else. I also love the smell of all of the Bath and Body Works or the White Barn soaps. Like I stated, when they had their annual sale, I kind of went crazy and bought so many for upstairs and for the kitchen. Now I think it's very important to have a container that you can just grab and pull out for the normal things you use on the daily basis, like this Pledge. Also the Finish rinse, I love that in the dishwasher. And I actually like this window cleaner that's from the dollar store. It works well for me, and you know how I feel about my Lysol. I got to get those germs out of the kitchen. So in this last container, I hold all of my sponges. I generally change mine out on a regular basis because sponges hold a lot of germs. Okay, so now that you've seen all of the organizations, I am ready to reveal how it actually turns out. I love it, and I hope you guys really enjoy it too. Here we go. Okay, friends, I hope that you truly enjoyed this video. I am so glad to have this area so organized. I would like to thank everybody that participated in my first open invite. I hope that you were able to find some amazing ideas for your storage solutions. All right, guys, thank you so much. I look forward to watching everyone else's video, and I will absolutely see you in the next video.